Welcome everyone to the Learn English channel. We hope you have a fun and enriching time learning with us. Please don't hesitate to share your feedback and suggestions so we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching. Cheryl, right? Hi. Are you ready for the picnic?
Yes, I am. I am very excited.
Me too. Did you bring the food?
Yes, I have sandwiches and fruit.
Great. What kind of sandwiches?
I made ham and cheese sandwiches.
Yum. I love ham and cheese.
I also brought some apples.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. Do you have drinks?
Yes, I have water and juice.
Perfect. Juice is my favorite.
What else did you bring?
I brought a blanket for us to sit on.
That's a good idea.
It is big and soft.
Where do you want to sit?
Let's sit under that big tree.
Yes, it's nice and shady there.
I like the shade.
Do you have a basket for the food?
Yes, I have a picnic basket.
Great. Let's put the food on the blanket.
Okay. Here is the basket.
I will take out the sandwiches.
And I will get the fruit.
This looks delicious.
I can't wait to eat.
Do you want to play games after eating?
Yes. What games do you want to play?
How about Frisbee?
Frisbee sounds fun.
Do you have a Frisbee?
Yes, I brought one with me.
Awesome!
Let's eat first, then play.
Good idea.
What do you want to drink?
I would like some juice, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I'm so hungry.
Let's enjoy our meal.
This sandwich is really good.
I'm glad you like it.
The apples are sweet too.
Yes, they are fresh.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Strawberries are delicious.
What about you?
I like watermelon.
Watermelon is great for summer.
Yes, it's very refreshing.
Do you like summer picnics?
Yes, summer is the best time for picnics.
I agree. The weather is nice.
And we can enjoy the sunshine.
Yes, it feels good.
What's your favorite picnic food?
I like sandwiches and chips.
Chips are a nice snack.
Do you like chips too?
Yes, I like potato chips.
They are crunchy and salty.
What kind of chips do you have?
I have barbecue chips.
Yum! I love barbecue flavor.
Me too. Let's eat some chips now.
Good idea.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you ready to play Frisbee now?
Yes. Let's play.
I will throw the Frisbee first.
Okay. I'm ready.
Here it comes.
I caught it.
Great job.
Now I will throw it to you.
I'm ready.
Catch it.
I got it.
This is so much fun.
Yes, it is.
Let's keep playing.
I could play all day.
Me too.
Do you want to take a break?
Yes, Let's sit down for a minute.
Good idea.
How do you like the picnic?
I love it. It's a perfect day.
I'm having a great time.
Me too.
Do you want to take some pictures?
Yes. Let's take some photos.
I will take a picture of you.
Okay.
Smile.
Cheese.
Great. Now let's take one together.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yay.
I can't wait to see the photos.
Me too.
Let's have some dessert now.
What do you have for dessert?
I brought cookies.
Yum. I love cookies.
Let's eat them.
How many do you want?
I will have 2, please.
I will have 3.
These cookies are so tasty.
Yes, they are delicious.
What kind of cookies are they?
They are chocolate chip cookies.
My favorite.
I love chocolate chip too.
We should make cookies together sometime.
That sounds like a fun idea.
Do you want to go for a walk now?
Yes, let's walk around the park.
I want to see the flowers.
Good idea. Yes, they are colorful.
The flowers are so pretty.
They are beautiful.
Look at the butterflies.
Me too. They are so delicate.
I love watching butterflies.
Yes,
Let's take a few more pictures.
me too. It was a lot of fun.
I'm glad we had this picnic.
Let's plan it soon.
I can't wait for our next picnic.
That sounds great.
I will bring different food next time.
Bye, Lisa.
See you soon, Tom.
Enjoy your day.